Welcome. I'm Andy Garcia. Protecting our environment is an important issue facing the world. Yet finding the best way to conserve our natural resources can be challenging. Fortunately, thought leaders around the globe are presenting creative ideas to address these issues, as you're about to see.
Climate change remains one of our society's greatest challenges. With carbon emissions at an all-time high and the global industry responsible for 20% of those discharges, industry experts say converting to clean energy is a necessary and colossal task, and large-scale green hydrogen production will be the key to recarbonizing society. This is why industrial applications are needed for green hydrogen to become an energy-efficient commodity.
Climate change has long been misunderstood as an environmental issue affecting the survival of the planet. The inconvenient truth is that, no matter to which degree scenario we are heading to, the planet is in no danger. It has been here for a billion of years and only offers the unique environmental conditions to support human life for a fraction of that time. The planet will continue to evolve, transform, and to survive. The question is whether we humans will still be here to witness that. The world we must create must limit warming to no more than 1.5 degrees Celsius. The scenario is still attainable, but the time window is rapidly closing, and this requires major transformation in almost all areas of life and work. And this is where hydrogen enters the stage. Why? Simply because we cannot electrify everything. Especially in the industry where we find many hard-to-abate process emissions, we require for a different solution. And hydrogen has turned out to be the missing piece in the energy transition puzzle to achieve net zero.
One German-based company is working to be a leading supplier of electrolysis equipment, solutions, and services in North America. With its setup, they may be able to deliver service solutions throughout the entire production lifecycle and are prepared to serve the American market. With expertise like this, a green hydrogen economy can become a reality.
Based on our mature technology, we have developed a new electrolyzer which is capable to manufacture hydrogen on a large scale. With this 20 megawatt module, we are ready for gigawatt scale. As the industry alone accounts for more than 20% of the global carbon dioxide emissions, we need technology on scale to decarbonize this sector.
Green hydrogen may be one of the most efficacious solutions to climate change. It can transform the power sector of today by opening up the possibility of reimagining structures and saving existing industries. Rather than discarding the old foundations and completely rebuilding anew, companies can convert what tools they already have to generate eco-friendly energy. Green hydrogen can open up exciting pathways for many challenged industries to utilize energy alternatives.
To produce green hydrogen, we split water with green electricity. It's the electrolysis process. What you obtain is hydrogen and oxygen. In this process, there is no carbon involved, so there are no CO2 emissions. With hydrogen, you can produce fuels to drive cars, trucks, ships, or even planes. We can also think about generating back electricity. We can heat our living rooms with green hydrogen. And it is also raw material to many industry processes. Wherever we replace the incumbent commodity with green hydrogen, we have green products at the end. We are witnessing a global broad market ramp up. On the one hand side, we have a drop in electricity price, which is our primary energy source. And at the same time, we see the need to switch to renewable value chains. And these value chains are at large scale, and this is affecting the entire value chain from green electricity to hydrogen production. It is important that the end user knows that he has a green product in his hands. For that reason, we need a global certification system. This proves that the whole value chain, from the electricity generation to the transport, is really green. We cannot wait. We have to act immediately. And we have the opportunity to do so. This can be done very quickly in the ammonia industry, in the steel industry, and in the refining industry.
Climate change affects us all, making it a joint task to change the trajectory of where the world is headed. In order to make the transition to fully green solutions, highly industrialized countries should own their true responsibility to revamp their pre-existing energy models.
We need political and public support to set the right framework. Sustainability cannot be allowed to become an election or a campaign platform. It must enter the core of politics and business strategies. We need one aligned and international energy transition roadmap and measures that work in the long term, because climate change does not know any country borders.
Green hydrogen is about to become a revolution, providing a real infrastructure for renewable energy.
Thanks for watching. We hope you'll join us next time as we continue to explore the latest developments impacting our lives. I'm Andy Garcia.